Hello, my English virtual tutor. My name is Jeffrey Lopez, and today I'm going to talk about my future plans for next vacation. Okay, let's start. I am going to travel by plane to New York City. I am going to take my ID, passport, and credit card. I am going to visit some friends with my family. On Friday, I am going to swim at the beach. I am going to visit the Central Park. On Sunday, I am going to visit a Christian church. I am going to enjoy the food and the love of the people. I am going to be in an important meeting with members of a foundation. I am going to know the Brooklyn Bridge. I am going to be at wedding celebration. I am not going to visit the Natural History Museum. I am going to take suitcases, jackets, shirts, jeans, suits, shoes, and ties. I am going to visit an observatory located in Rockefeller Center, the top of the rock. I am going to stay for 1 month there. No, I am not. I am going to return on September 30. Okay, thanks for watching.